Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You are learning with Dr. Shobha Nikam. In this video, I'll talk about two most important topics in VHDL, and those are VHDL libraries and packages. When we start writing our VHDL code, we start with libraries followed by packages. So in this video, I'll talk about types of libraries, how to define new library, what are the packages, how to create new package, and how to associate package with the library. But before that, I request you all to subscribe to my channel, and if you feel this video was really helpful at the end, then share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe. So let's start with the definition of library. So here, library, in simple words, it's like a container that stores compiled VHDL design units. Whereas, in other hands, many students get confused with library and package. So library stores compiled VHDL units, whereas package groups reusable code like functions, procedures, constants. It groups them together. So in simple words, library is like a folder that stores compiled VHDL code. It is like a folder. Whereas package is like a file. That file is already stored in the folder that contains reusable code definitions like functions, constants, procedures, which we can reuse again and again. So purpose of library is to organize and manage compiled code modules, and here the purpose of package is to define reusable codes that can be shared across designs. So if I want some addition program for addition of two inputs, then I'll write that program in my package, and when I'll include that package in my new code, I can get access to that code. So what library contains entities, architectures, configurations, packages, etc. Whereas package contains functions, procedures, constants, type and components. To create new library, we have predefined libraries in VHDL and we can create our own library also. So to create our own library, we use command vlib, which we use it in model sim or questa sim simulators, and when we include that library we use word library, keyword library. So for creation of library we use vlib, and to include that newly created library into our code we use keyword library and name of your newly created library, like library mylib, library VHDL, any name you can assign to library. Then in case of package, declared using package and used via word use. Use clause is used to include package. Example of library is library IEEE, and example of package is any package, package my package. So types of libraries are, first we'll talk about libraries and then we'll talk about packages. So the predefined libraries VHDL includes three predefined libraries. Those are work, IEEE and standard. So here work is a default library where user code is compiled. IEEE is standard library for logic types and arithmetic operations. Standard, it contains standard definitions, and user defined library is custom library which you can create. So let's start with the library IEEE. So IEEE is a library. It is like a folder. What it has? So it has packages, and what is present in those packages is the reusable programs or keywords are stored in those packages. So the common packages which library IEEE has are IEEE.standard underscore logic underscore 1164 package. It has logic types. All logic types are stored in this package. Numeric underscore standard, it has arithmetic types. Then math underscore real, this is included to perform mathematical functions. So how to use that library IEEE? So first line in every VHDL code is library IEEE, it means I'm using IEEE library, and in that IEEE library, what I'm using? I'm using package. So to include package, we use clause. Use IEEE dot your package name standard underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all, and this package may have different objects, different data types, different functions. So what to include out of those things? So dot all, it means it will include everything. Then use IEEE library's name dot package name dot all. So this is about IEEE library. It has these packages. Next is work library. So it stores all compiled design units by default. No need to explicitly include unless accessing from another location. So library, the syntax is library. Now library's name is work. So library work, and we must include package. So use clause, library's name is work dot package name my underscore package dot all. Then how to create your own library? So you can use command vlib. So vlib my lib. So my library's name is mylib, and I'm creating it using vlib command. And to associate package with that library, I have one package which has functions, procedures stored in them. So to associate that package with the library, we use vcom dash work mylib, where to with whom I need to compile my package. So mylib my package dot vhd. So how I'll include it in my code? New code, library name is mylib. Use mylib dot package name dot all. So library and package always goes hand in hand. Now let's talk about VHDL package. So when we create our own package, structure of VHDL package is divided into two parts: package declaration, and second part is package body. So in package declaration, we can declare subprograms like functions and procedures. Types we can declare, objects we can declare. Data objects are signal, variable, constant, file. So we can declare those data objects here. We can declare components which we use in structural modeling, and we use clause. So example of package declaration. Package, first word is package because I am declaring my package. Name of the package, I have given name as my underscore package. You can give any name. Is, and what is included in my package? Constant. Name given to that constant is n. Data type of that constant is integer, and value assigned is 8. So whenever I'll include this package, then I can access n in my code. So items declared in package declaration can be accessed by other design units by using library and use clause. So I need to include that package, but I cannot include package directly. I need to associate it with some library. So use work is my library dot my package dot all. If I'll include this line in my code, then I can access this integer n. Then package body. So we in package declaration, we can declare that I have an integer, I have constant, I have this function, that function. In package body, we explain behavior of those functions and procedures. You'll understand it in next slide. See, I have taken one example. So first is library IEEE. We always start our VHDL code with libraries. So library IEEE, I have used two packages here: IEEE dot standard underscore logic underscore 1164 dot all and numeric underscore standard dot all. So this is library part. Next is what I'm doing is I am declaring package. So this is my package. First word, my name given to package is my underscore package is what I have in this package. One function, add unsigned. So this function will add two unsigned numbers, and I have one procedure which increments the number. End package, my package. So here I have declared my package. So this is package declaration. What I have declared function, I have declared my function's name is add underscore unsigned. But here I haven't mentioned how it will work. Name you can assign any name. I haven't mentioned how this procedure will work. So how these things will work, that I will declare in package body. So package body, because I'm writing for package body. So first word is package body. Name of package is, and here I'll explain behavior of my function and behavior of my procedure. So this function is to add unsigned numbers. Numbers are A and B, and result will go back to the function. Here procedure for increment signal X. So X is assigned as X plus 1, and procedure after the package body and package body my package. So this is how we can create our own package, and in that package you can have different data objects, you can store different data types, you can have components, the functions, procedures, anything you can have. And if you want to use this package in your VHDL code, you are writing your new code and you want these functions and procedures to be used in your new code, then what you can do is by using this vcom. By using this vcom command, you can associate your package with the library. So vcom dash work mylib my package.vhd. It means whichever things are there in my package will get associated with mylib. And then next function is to include this library and this package in the new code. So library mylib. I'm including my library now. Use mylib dot my package dot all. So I can use this function and this procedure in new code. So it was all about libraries and packages. So you just need to remember library is like a folder present in your computer which has compiled VHDL codes, whereas package is like a file. That file will be stored in that folder again. So it is a file which groups together the commonly reusable things like reusable functions, reusable procedures, reusable data objects, data types, anything. So it was all about the packages and libraries. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and share. Also, if you want any new video on any other topic, then mention it in comment box. Thank you so much.